Manila nung una. Kasi wala silang malinis na source of ayan.
For thousands of years, the guinea
Yan
worm
yung
parasite
parasite.
has caused disabling
Hinihila
misery.
sa
Its
lower,
victims
ayan.
infected by drinking water contaminated with guinea worm larvae.
Yan yung tubig nila, andyan
After
yung
a year, the
parasite.
adult worm, up to 3 feet long,
Ayan, yung
emerges from the
larva, yung
body through
parasite.
agonizing skin
Hinihila,
blisters
ayan.
that incapacitate and cripple.
Ay!
There is no cure for this,
Yan
and the
yung
only treatment
parasite.
is wrapping the worm around a
Kaya
stick,
iniikot pa
pulling
nila,
it out
sobrang
inch by
sakit.
inch every day for weeks. But now, the end of guinea worm disease is within reach. The result of a more than 2-decade eradication campaign led by former U.S. President Jimmy Carter and the Carter Center, based in Atlanta. In 1986, there were an estimated 3.5 million cases of guinea worm in Africa and Asia. That number has now been reduced by more than 99%. The only way to stop guinea worm disease is to break its life cycle for at least 1 year across wide areas in Africa. That's the goal of field workers from the Carter Center, working with a coalition of governments and international agencies.
And obviously, when you don't have guinea worms, then the children can go to school, the farmers can plant their crops, and the entire economic status of a village and a community and a nation can be helped.
Yan.
Their strategy includes public education to prevent contamination, supplying millions of water filters, applying safe chemical treatment to water sources, and providing safe water from underground wells.
We hope and expect that within a year or two there will be no more guinea worm anywhere.
If they succeed, within the next few years, guinea worm could become the second human disease in history after smallpox to be eradicated from the earth.
Ayan. Okay? So that is the Cunculus medinensis, your Jimmy worm. Ngayon mukhang wala na rin siguro kasi may source of water na sila. Alam mo bakit tinawag na dragon or ano ba yung nakalagay? Dragon worm or fire serpent because of the pain. Kaya tinawag siyang fire serpent because they actually, of course, compare that kung ano yung pain na nararamdaman ng patient suffering from this kind of infection. Mahaba yung ating female. That's actually 500 to 1,200 millimeter. Pero ito yung thickness niya, 0.9 to 1.7 millimeter. And at the same time, the mouth surrounded by a cuticular plate and flattened intestine na kung saan connected dun sa whole cavity until it is taken up by the uterus. Now dito, ang ating male medyo maliit lang, 12 to 29 millimeter. Pero majority kasi na pumupunta sa lower extremities is the female. Okay? And that is actually yung larva natin, 500 to 700 millimeter long, pointed tail. Millimeter yan. Ang guinea worm disease is caused by drinking water contaminated with and then yung L3, the water fleas or coke pads. The intermediate cause of this parasite is coke pads. Andyan yung ating larvae, which is the infective stage. Okay? Then after that, we have also tinatawag natin, adults are usually found subcutaneous tissue. That's why, kapag halimbawa na-develop na-ingest nila yung water flea or na-inom sa water, ano yung larva, madadevelop yan into adult sa small intestine. Then sa small intestine, pupunta na yan sa lower extremities ng ating patient. At dun na magkakaroon ng pamamaga